In this video, we'll demonstrate how to replace the spare parts on the push-to-seal heat sealer. The spare part kit includes one Teflon tape strip and one 5mm heating element. We will first work on the bottom bar, then move to the top bar. Let's begin by removing the blue highlighted faceplate. There are 3 screws that need to be removed. Now that the plate has been removed, let's remove the red blockers on each end. Next, fold back the bottom insulator material behind the top bar to create working space for the heating element. On each side, you'll find 2 small screws that need to be loosened before removing the heating element. Start by loosening the screws on the left side. Once that's completed, move on to the right side and do the same. When both ends are unscrewed, the heating element should pop right out, and you're ready to replace it with a new one. Ensure that each end is folded 90 degrees, about 1/8 of an inch. Be cautious when folding the ends, as they can be sharp. Using tools is recommended to avoid cutting your fingers. Before we proceed, lift the lever on each side and leave it pointing horizontally. Start by inserting the heating element back on the left side and then move on to the right side. Once both sides are screwed down and securely holding the heating element, you can lower the levers. This should tighten the heating element onto the bar. Now, fold the insulator material back to the front and put the red blockers back in place. If you wish to replace the old insulator material on the bottom bar, you will need to loosen 2 screws located behind the bottom bar. Then, carefully roll out the insulator material. Trim the leftover material, ensuring it only covers where the screws will hold it down, so it doesn't obstruct the faceplate from being screwed in. Finally, reattach the faceplate, and we're ready to move on to the top bar. For the top bar, you will need to remove a screw on each end to allow removal of the white rubber element. This part might be a little tricky, but you will need to pull out the white rubber element. Once removed, replace the old Teflon tape with a new one. Make sure to evenly apply the tape to the rubber part, leaving about 0.5 inches hanging off each end. Insert the rubber material back into the top bar. This may require some finesse, so consider using tools to help push it into place. Once you've successfully inserted the white rubber element, screw back the screws on each end, and you're all set. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the spare parts on your push-to-seal sealer. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.